Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
on. Ah! Oh no, it must be broken.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
I'll collect more things with more effort.
Huh?
I may run out of space, so can
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Soldier, come on by Sergeant's surplus hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
What? Disappeared? Huh?
Het spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel ten ruste!
closet. Where's Mater? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Escuchen esos gritos. Salvaron mi vida. Ya que...
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will be...
Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera. What just happened?
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding...
I hereby dub thee.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Make you scream!
What? I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Oh, nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him.
If I recall correctly.
Speaking...
Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Segundo puesto encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este...
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Great number! Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it. Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say. Ah.
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Despite what I heard today, Lightning McQueen is dead.
Of course.
All in all.